Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great today. In this video I am going to show you actually how to activate YouTube on your TV using yt.be/activate. So if you are trying to sign in to YouTube on your smart TV, Android TV, Fire TV, Roku TV or need to worry. Before we begin, if you are find this video helpful, please make sure to like this video, share it with anyone who might need help, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorial like this. I will also explain what yt.be/activate is, why this code appears on your screen, and what to do if your activation page does not open or the code does not work. Make sure you watch this video till end so you don't miss any important step. Alright, let's start this video. Now you have opened YouTube on your smart TV. You can see here is my YouTube. Open this. Just wait a few seconds. Now here you will see an interface like this where one account is already logged in. Now I will show you how to create a new account on this. You need to click on new account. Click here new account. Yeah, after that you will see an interface like this where a barcode and the code will be so below it. According to the barcode, I will explain to you how to activate step by step. Now you need to open your phone and go to Google. You can see here and search Google Lens. Click Google Lens here. Then scan the barcode that is showing on the TV screen. As soon as you can scan it, yeah, a link appears on your phone. Click on it. That you will see on option to choose an email. Select the email with which you want to use YouTube and click on continue. Then choose your select email and click continue. Yeah, the email will be show again. Click continue barcode button, this email again, so you click here. Yeah, scroll down and give the permission, click allow button. Now your YouTube is activated on your TV. Yeah, now you can see here my YouTube has been activated and you can see the same screen that YouTube is running with the same email. You can see here same email. Now click OK. Yeah, if you can see here starting search. Yeah, you can see here properly working YouTube here. So it's a very simple process. So in this way you are activate YouTube on your TV. If you are found this video even 1% useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also let you know in this comment which country you are watching our channel from. Thank you for watching everyone. Make sure subscribe our channel and click bell icon. Thank you for watching.